Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a video ads campaign in the LinkedIn ads account. So video ads are going to be the highly engaging videos format ads, which you can also run on LinkedIn ads network, where we can get a better user engagement. So let's have a look at this, how we can create this out. So once we are in the account, we can start building out a new campaign. And let's say we are creating the video ad for brand awareness purposes. We can choose a classic campaign which we are going to create, and we can name it a video ads campaign. And which is for brand awareness. So now you can choose your audience targeting, location targeting, then your audience targeting. In this manner, you can choose your audience targeting, and we are going to create specifically a video ad, captivate a professional audience with a native video. And then we can choose a placement. So in this case, you have an option to opt out of LinkedIn audience network as well. So if you want to do that, you can do that as well. Then we can set our daily budget and give a schedule. When do you want to start the campaign? You can see the optimization goal is reach, which means with this, we will try to reach to as many people as possible, users as possible. And this is on maximum delivery. So this automated bidding strategy will try to generate as many reach as possible, reaching out to maximum audience possible out here. Once we do that, then we can save this and we can move to the next segment, which is going to be the ad creation part. So this is where we are going to create our video ad. So we can name it as video ad. And then we can add the video. So this can be a MP4 file, which you can upload out here. If you want, you can also upload a thumbnail of this particular video. That is also possible. Okay, if you want to give a caption file, which you can also upload right here. So we can add this. Once you have the video in place, we can attach that to the ad, and then we provide the rest of the information as well. We can give our website URL out here. You can see now how the ad is going to look like. And we can give a call to action phrase as well. So now this is how the ad is going to look like, guys, for everyone. This is the video ad we are talking about. Also the LinkedIn community. And once the ad is created, then we can save it. So this is our video ad, which has been created now. Moving forward, we just need to review the campaign once and check all the details. If everything looks fine, then we can launch this campaign. So this will be the simple process by which we are able to set up a video ads campaign on the LinkedIn ads platform. I hope this makes sense. You're able to understand now how video ad campaigns gets built out on the LinkedIn ads platform. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.